Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. If you would like Anana to join us, can you say bonjour Anana in a nice loud voice? Bonjour Anana. Elle sent bien, she's coming. Oh, bonjour Anana. Oh, so nice to see you. Oui, are you saying bonjour? Oui. Les amis, thank you so much for joining my class today. We're going to learn a brand new comptine. A comptine is a French word for a short little French poem or a French rhyme. It's going to be lots of fun, and we're going to do it using our O sound words. So let's begin, mes amis. Let's begin. Okay, so this series is called French with Anana. This is lesson 4.8, O sound. Leçon 4.8, son O. All right, let's go. Allons-y. Okay, so I'm going to show you some slides, and there's pictures on the slides, and there's also words on the slides. So what I'm saying is in yellow here, those words in yellow, and these are the pictures of the words. So I'm going to say them and then try and repeat them. Wherever you're listening, if you can say them out loud, then go ahead and say it out loud. And then at the end, we're going to say the whole consigne one more time without the pictures. So let's try it together. On y va, Anana? You ready? Tu es prête? Oui, elle est prête. On y va. Coco yo-yo, coco yo-yo, postilo, postilo. Photomoto yo-yo, photomoto yo-yo, gros rhino. Tu es beau, gros rhino. Tu es beau. Yay! That's it. That's our rhyme. Our consigne. Did it remind you of a song that maybe you heard before? Because we were playing it to the tune of Frère Jacques. So that was really fun. So here's the whole consigne once more, but without the pictures. Do you think that you can follow me in Anana? Oui? Okay, on y va. Coco yo-yo, coco yo-yo, postilo, postilo, photomoto yo-yo, photomoto yo-yo, gros rhino. Tu es beau, gros rhino, tu es beau. Yay! You did it. Bravo, mes amis. It's a really, really fun one to say. Did you find any rhyming words in our consigne? Oui, if you look on the screen, there was lots of rhyming words. Can you repeat them after me? Po, photo, yo-yo, moto, rhino, stylo, coco. Oui, bravo. That's a really good try. Now, my friends, let's see our next slide. Oh, our next slide, c'est une question, Anana. It's a question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, est-ce que j'ai mon sac, Anana? On va regarder. Qu'est-ce que j'ai dans mon sac? Dans mon sac, ici, dans mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? On va voir. Anana, est-ce que tu veux voir? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Tu veux mettre ta main dans le sac? Oh, Anana, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, an amie. Amie is a friend. Oh, Anana. This is a friend of Anana's. Oh, do you remember this friend? This is Sha. Can you say bonjour, Sha? Oh, my friends, I had such a fun time learning a new consigne with you. I hope to see you in our next lesson. Can you say au revoir? Au revoir? Au revoir. Au revoir, Sha. Au revoir, Anana. Au revoir, Madame. And I'm going to say au revoir, les amis. À bientôt.